story of cooking with the community. I am Tara Charette. I will be your host today, and I'm thrilled to do this. Now let's add our creme de la creme, our cheese sauce. It's a 4-cheese Italian bread.
A 4-cheese Italian bread.
That does look good. There we go.
Oh, you did a whole bowl.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Let's give this a shot.
Wait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I would do that's not nice.
Okay, you call me a pig is
Yeah.
good.
Oops, I dropped my nut noodle.
Amy, you're fired. You're no longer the director. All right, ready? All right, welcome back. I hope the information we shared is helpful to everyone.
Good.
All right, now here's the creme de la creme here. All right, this is our cheese sauce. It's a 4-cheese.
Can I eat it now?
Hello. Hello, Pawtucket. Welcome to episode 3 of
Well, hey.
All right.
It's a little personal too.
Take it up. Hold it. Oh, while she dies. It's still rolling. Oh, I love it. All right, cool. So we can start anytime. What should I look at? Should I look at the camera?
Yeah.
Who am I cooking with?
It's a 4-cheese Italian bread. All right. Have a great week, Pawtucket. Oh wait, I forgot about the
You had a good joke.
You have to say the date again.
Join us next time with our next.
Keep going, it's okay.
Spit it out, come on. In your mask.
Join us next time. It's because it's wrong. It says join us next time with on.
Okay.
Oh.
And then just turn it. I'll talk about.